How to fix mic not working on Google Meets. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the search icon. Now simply tap on the search bar and type Google Meets. Now click on search at the bottom right corner and tap on Google Meet. Now make sure to update to the latest version. Now tap on update. Now wait for some time. Now while the app is being downloaded, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Now once it's installed, go back to the home screen and open up settings. Now scroll down and tap on apps. Now go to app management. Now tap on the search bar and search for Google Meets. Now tap on Google Meets. Now click on Force Stop and go to storage usage. Now tap on clear data. Now tap on delete. Now go back. Now tap on permissions. Now find microphone. Now disable this toggle. Now tap on don't allow. Again re-enable. Now restart Google Meets. I hope this should fix the issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.